Hello, this is Equations and Inequalities, Rewriting Equations and Formulas, Example 1. In this example, we have to solve for y. In order to do that, we will get y equals, but it won't just equal a number, it's going to equal an expression. Now, students have a lot of trouble with these. They don't seem to understand what they have to do. I'll try to show you that it's very similar to this. When we have to solve for x, we have to get x equals, and we'll do this by plussing 3 to both sides and then dividing by 2. Well, I have to solve for y, and I'm going to switch these two around. So it's minus 3y plus 7x equals 8. And I did that so that you see it's very similar to this. See, here I had to solve for x, here I have to solve for y. So the same way I plus 3 to both sides, similarly I'm going to minus 7x to both sides, and then the last step of this equation is to divide by 2, and the last step of this one is going to be to divide by negative 3. So I will minus 7x to both sides, and I end up with minus 3y equals minus 7x plus 8. And the last step is to divide both sides by negative 3. So I end up with y equals negative 7x plus 8 divided by negative 3. And this is pretty good just the way it is. You could simplify a little bit by dividing the negative 3 into this and also dividing the negative 3 into that, but this is an acceptable answer. But to simplify a little bit, this would be 7/3 x minus 8/3. Now this turned into a positive because negative divided by a negative is positive, and this is negative because a positive divided by a negative is a negative.